Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones REDMI Buds 4 Pro. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones to connect them. And we did it. If it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just close the charging case. Now we should have not connected here. And then open the charging case to reconnect them. Here we go. But if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones. So close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case and press and hold functional button at the bottom for at least 2 seconds. Here we go. Now click on your headphones. And we did it. But if all of these 3 methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you should put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold functional button for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device, if you have Android, pair new device, and then click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!